National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County, eastern Greene County, northern Fayette County, Ohio, southeastern Clark County until 11:45 a.m. At 11:06 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Pigeon to Cedarville to Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include damaging winds to 70 miles an hour, penny-sized hail, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include South Charleston, Jeffersonville, London, Mount Sterling. In addition, Pigeon, Jamestown, Bowersville, Bell Center, Harmony, Selma, Gladstone, and Rosemont are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 54 and 62, Interstate 71 between mile markers 60 and 87. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather